How to delete your Airbnb account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Airbnb account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete our Airbnb account, all you have to do is go ahead and simply launch the Airbnb application. Come to the profile tab from the bottom right of the screen, scroll down to the bottom, and in here you'll find the option called Get Help. Just tap on it. Once you tap on Get Help, over here you'll be able to see all sorts of information, and then over here you simply want to look for the option that says browse all topics, right? So tap on the browse all topics button. Once you tap on browse all topics, you'll be able to see all these sorts of details, and under the your account section, select the option called managing your account, and then once you go to managing account, you'll find deactivating or deleting. Just tap on it. Once you select deactivating or deleting, you'll see a request article as to how the deactivation and deletion page is going to look like. So if you want, you can actually deactivate your Airbnb account. Over here I'll just select deactivating or deleting my account at the very top. Now it'll show me the related article over here, and over here you can see to submit a request for either one, visit manage your data from a web browser. So all I need to do is just tap on manage your data button over here. Once I tap on manage your data button, it will take me to a new page where it will ask me to delete my account. So I'll go ahead and choose the option and wait until this page actually loads up first of all. So as you can see, the page has been loaded, and then you can see manage your account data, right? And then here you'll find the option called delete your account. You just want to make sure to tap on this option. When you tap on the option called delete your account, it will ask you to confirm it. So just read all the terms and conditions, select your country over here. Once you select your country, select why you are deleting your account, and once you select why you're deleting your account, just tap on the next option from the bottom right. If you want, you can choose to deactivate, but I'll just select the option called delete account from the bottom of the screen to successfully delete your Airbnb account. That's all it takes to delete your Airbnb account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.